Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are seeing the PS5 error code CE1000067 while installing or updating a game, don't worry, this is usually a download or storage related issue and it can be fixed very easily. So first of all, we are going to be starting with the most effective fix. For this, you just have to go to the section of downloads/uploads. Over here, you just have to basically cancel the failed installation. Now delete the partially downloaded game or update file. After doing this, you just have to immediately restart your PS5, then go back and download the game again. This particular step is going to remove any corrupted data that causes this error. Now you need to make sure that storage isn't the problem. So in order to check the storage, simply come inside the settings. Inside settings, look for the option of storage. Over here in the storage, it is going to show you your console storage. So you need to check the available space here. If the storage is low, you can delete the unused games or media. Now you need to boot your PS5 into safe mode and select the rebuild database. This refreshes the system files and also fixes installation errors. Now, if you are installing via disk, you can clean the disk and check for the scratches. Try reinstalling again after cleaning. For digital downloads, you can switch your network. You can use a wired connection or try a mobile hotspot. This also going to help avoid the download interruptions that trigger the error. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.